Zat Damiri bin Ahmad Rashidi. So for this brake lab, I will do the introduction part. So for the introduction, in this lab session, our aim is to able to plan and conduct experimental investigation about problem that is related to vehicle braking system involving disc brake. First, we have to identify part name of the disc brake system and use the correct tools with proper technique to dismantle the disc brake. Dismantling the disc brake with the proper tools and proper technique can help us to ease the process and avoid missing the small parts. Besides that, it ensures the brake part to remain in a good shape and does not leave any unwanted wear and tear effect to the part. After dismantling process, our team can diagnose the brake disc part conditions such as disc brake surface condition, measure the thickness of the brake pad and also the thickness of the disc rotor. So that's all from me, thank you. Okay, right now we are checking the condition of the cylinder bore. So as we can see here, the cylinder bore is quite okay. There is no scratch or crack inside the cylinder bore.
For the piston and the caliper, the rubber washer seems to be tear open. Maybe because of wear and tear. So that is what I can see, and the rubber will be replaced so that the piston will work properly.
This rotor surface, no defect and can be used for the net performance. Point 03. 21.81. Satu point 77.
Dah boleh basuh ke?
Sebenarnya dia ambil
Tapi
nak bagi dia betul-betul dalam diameter kan.
So the rubbing speed is quite okay, but you can see here it's not very touching the middle side.
you can see the brake pad, it does not friction at the middle part, only at the outside part. So this is not good. Okay, now we will check the straightness of the knob pin or the guide pin. You need to roll it on the floor. If it make a perfect circle, it's straight. I can just roll one guide pin because this one is loose. It cannot be open. It's loose. Apa? Kalau ni boleh ini kita dah. Jangan balik kan. Orang. Baik. Macam nak santau. Angkat lah, angkat.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Izul Islam bin Muhammad Jahid. Today I will be presenting the part name for lab 4, that is disc brake. For part number 1, the part name is guide pin. Part number 2, lock pin. Part number 3, pin boot. Part number 4, mounting bracket. Part number 5 is dust boot. Part number 6 is retainer. Part number 7 is piston boot or boot ring. Part number 8 is piston. Part number 9 is piston seal. Part number 10 cylinder body. Part number 11 brake lining. Part number 12 brake shoe. Part number 13 shim. And lastly for part number 14 pad clips. That's it. That is all from me. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akmal Hakim bin Muhammad Adi. My metric number is B0920101117. And for the discussion part for the disc brake is, what is the condition of the brake pad and should it be replaced with a new one? From the rubbing test, show that the center of the brake pad show no contact and the brake pad did not have same thickness. The brake pad physically seem in a good condition, but it should be replaced with a new one to avoid the vibration to the steering when driving. What is the two causes of the rotor thickness variation? What is the correct repair procedure of the thickness variation? The disc thickness variation is caused by an excessive lateral run out or rotor receiving uneven wear. To correct the problem, the rotor should be replaced or machined with a light skin to clean up the DTV flat spot. If the vehicle is using ceramic pad, the rotor must be machined as a part of every brake job.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmal Azan and I'm going to do discussion number 3 and 4 for this lab. So question number 3 is, what do you understand about run-up measurement data? So run up generator test the rotating motion of the system. The rotate is exactly in line with the main axis of rotation. So the fourth question is, what is your finding for the guide pin lock status check, and what can happen to this system if the guide pin lock is not set? So the guide pin from this step is moved in a circular motion when it is on a flat surface. So this means that the pin is straight and can be used again. And if the lock pin is not straight, the brake pad may have not have a perfect angle to the rotor and can affect the braking performance and also damage the brake pad. That's it for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Buhari bin Seman. For the conclusion lab for this brake, we have learned about how to inspect and replace part of the disc brake assembly. We also learned to check the condition of the disc brake unit. The original thickness of the inboard brake shoe is 12.86 mm and outboard brake shoe is 12.78 mm that we got by measuring using vernier caliper, and the rubbing surface was rubbed with chalk for inspection pad surface purpose. Following that, we have learned how to change the component of the disc brake assembly. Finally, we learned about each of the name of the disc brake assembly components, including rotor, inner piston, brake shoe, brake. Finally, we learn about each of the name of the disc brake assembly components, including rotor, inner piston, brake shoe, brake pad, and other components. We should also remember arrangement of each component during the assembly process to avoid any mistakes. That's all from us. Thank you.